We live in a remarkable time, a time when information flows like rivers, connecting every corner of our planet. This is the age of information technology, a vast and expanding universe impacting every facet of our lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the complex systems powering global commerce, it has become as fundamental as the air we breathe. Imagine the universe. Now imagine a digital echo of that vastness, teeming with data, connections, and possibilities. That's the essence of IT, a realm where hardware, software, and human ingenuity converge to shape our future. Just as the cosmos is governed by laws of physics, the digital world operates on principles of logic and innovation. Understanding these principles is crucial to navigating this exciting frontier. In this exploration, we'll embark on a journey through the cosmos of IT, unraveling its mysteries and marveling at its wonders. Every grand structure needs a foundation, a framework upon which complexity can be built. In the digital universe, that foundation is hardware. Think of hardware as the physical components of IT, the tangible building blocks of this intangible realm. Servers, those workhorses of the digital age, store and process vast amounts of data, powering everything from websites to complex scientific simulations. Workstations, the command centers of countless professionals, provide the processing power and tools for tasks ranging from graphic design to financial analysis. But hardware is more than just massive machines hidden away in data centers. It's the sleek laptop you carry, the smartphone that connects you to the world, and the countless sensors silently collecting data all around us. Each piece of hardware, from the smallest microchip to the largest supercomputer, plays a vital role in the intricate dance of IT. While hardware provides the physical structure, it is software that breathes life into the digital world. Software encompasses the instructions, the code that tells hardware what to do. It's the language of computers, a symphony of algorithms and logic that orchestrate the flow of information. At the heart of every computer lies the operating system, the conductor of this digital orchestra. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, or Linux manage the hardware resources and provide a platform for other software to run. Then we have applications, the tools we use daily. From word processors and spreadsheets to games and social media platforms, applications are designed to perform specific tasks, making our lives easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. Just as the universe is governed by laws of physics, so too is the digital world governed by the logic of software. Understanding this logic is key to unlocking the full potential of IT. Section 4. Networks and databases. Connections and order in the digital cosmos. In the vast expanse of the digital universe, information needs to flow freely. This is where networks come in, connecting devices and enabling communication across continents in the blink of an eye. Routers act as cosmic traffic controllers, directing the flow of data packets across networks, ensuring that information reaches its intended destination. Switches, like interstellar crossroads, connect devices within a network, facilitating seamless communication between computers, printers, and other devices. But what good is a universe of information without a way to organize it? Databases serve as the cosmic libraries of the digital age, storing vast amounts of data in a structured and easily retrievable manner. From customer information to scientific research data, databases are essential for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. They provide the backbone for online shopping, social media, and countless other applications we rely on daily. Section 5. Cybersecurity and cloud computing. Navigating the cosmic web. As our reliance on the digital world grows, so too do the threats to its security. Cybersecurity has emerged as a critical discipline, protecting our data and systems from malicious actors lurking in the digital shadows. Firewalls act as digital shields, guarding our networks from unauthorized access. Antivirus software, like vigilant sentinels, scan our systems for malicious code, neutralizing threats before they can do harm. But cybersecurity is more than just technology. It's also about awareness and adopting safe computing practices. In recent years, a new paradigm has emerged in IT cloud computing. Imagine accessing vast computing resources and services over the internet, much like we access electricity from a power grid. That's the essence of cloud computing. Cloud providers like celestial bodies offer a wide range of services from data storage and processing power to software applications, all accessible from anywhere with an internet connection.